This is a 2024 Ford Escape Active all-wheel drive. This Escape is a one-owner vehicle with no accidents recorded on the history report. It has remaining factory warranty. The interior and exterior are clean. The 17-inch Continental Pro Contact tires are in great shape. It has a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, 65 cubic feet maximum storage capacity with the second row folded down, 37 cubic feet with the seat up. Features include pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning and dynamic brake support, pedestrian detection, blind spot information system with rear cross traffic braking, lane keeping assist, lane keeping alert and driver alert, power rear liftgate, heated front seats, power driver's seat, Sync 4 infotainment with 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, rear vision camera, dual zone climate control, cruise control with tilt wheel, power windows, locks and side mirrors, remote start with keyless entry and push button start. With this Escape, you get the latest safety tech, along with many creature comforts. And don't forget remaining factory warranty. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana